Happy birthday to Miss Bakar Amari, Irita Princess Team. Ayan, may birthday celebrant pa tayo for today. Ayan, ang team po ng every girls in a young age. Disney Princess Team. Ayan, so mamaya po, ayan, naupo po dyan yung ating birthday celebrant and foot spa, manicure, pedicure, and then makeup po ang gagawin sa kanya. So, ayan, happy birthday!